Ngai sub-county on the 18th May 2025, where we lost PC and Naturinda John Bosco and a civilian Ojok Nelson Omoding. So far, investigation has gone deeply, with 28 suspects arrested in connection to the incident. Their arrests have been made in different locations. Some of them, we arrested them from Lira City here, others from Kambini, others from Oyam Town Council, majority from Ngai Trading Center. And the latest arrest is we had two suspects who were arrested from illegal border point while attempting to cross to southern Sudan. All of them have been brought to CPS in Oyam, and also the magazine, which had gone missing, has finally been recovered, and this was recovered on the 28th of May 2025 from Lela Upuk village in Ngai sub-county, Bandol. It was identified by the wife of one Oroba Tabo, who was also a suspect in that case. Statement was recorded from the LC1, and the wife to Oroba who recovered this magazine. The recovery of this magazine with the live ammunition follows a strong message delivered by the director of CPC, AIGP Bamnaba Ubaldo, and the Deputy Director of Operations, Commissioner of Police, Okosi Simon Peter, after they held a community meeting at Ngai Town Council on the 27th of May 2025 in the presence of all the district leadership and the local leadership in the area. The director emphasized so much how that magazine with 27 rounds of ammunition can be used against the locals if they don't disclose where about it is. First of all, they knew who the person that removed the magazine. Everybody knew that it was someone called Ogwalboni. Having been identified, we want therefore to thank the community members for understanding the need for collaboration with security in fighting crimes by telling the person who had gone with the magazine to return, and indeed the person did. We encourage the members of the public to embrace community policing programs and continue supporting police and security in fighting crime.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.